Apple has stated that the battery performance of the iPhone 15 series has exceeded expectations. Initially rated to retain 80% of its capacity after 500 cycles, Apple now claims that the battery should retain 80% of its capacity after 1000 cycles, which is a great news for users. Checking your battery charge cycle can help you determine whether your iPhone's battery is performing well or not. So let's see how you can check the iPhone battery cycle count for iPhone 15 series devices. If you have updated to the iOS 17.4, you can easily check the battery charge cycle using the battery settings page. To do that, launch the settings app and scroll down to find the battery settings. Tap to open it. On this page, you will see the battery usage graph along with the option to see your iPhone's battery health. Tap to open it. Here, you will see your iPhone's battery cycle count along with other relevant information. If your iPhone is still running on iOS 17.3 or lower version of iOS, you can check the battery cycle count by opening the settings app and going to the general settings. Now open the about settings page. Scroll down to the bottom, look for the battery section which will display the manufacture date, first use and cycle count of the battery. And that's about it. If you also own a Mac, click here to find out how to check the battery health and cycle count on your Mac. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.